guys, Mr. Broski, and guess what? I forgot to do my video of the water slide, but it was completely awesome. But hey, look what I got. You see what that is? That's a mini fridge. Guess what? Guess what? We got myself a drone for my birthday, water guns, Pokemon, soccer net. Yeah, like this stuff is cool. And there's more, bunch of clothes. Guess what? Grandma and my grandpa have more presents. So we need to just see this mini fridge, and then I'll show you the process once we're done. You guys, here it is. Oh, we don't have that much in here, but yeah, I still made it happen. I still made this a thing, but now you're gonna see this a bunch in my video. I don't know why I put that. It said $28, but it ended up being more. Like they're dumb. I don't get that, but shout outs to my dad, shout outs to my grandpa, grandma, shout out to my mom, shout outs to my great grandma, shout out to everyone that gave me presents on my birthday. See you later. Bye, Broski team.